Take a look at this list. Search passive income ideas on YouTube and you'll find endless videos from top creators promising hundreds, thousands, or even tens of thousands a month. The problem? The hype rarely matches reality. So, what is passive income really, and what does it take to succeed? Let's break it down before you waste your time chasing false promises. Before we dive in, let's be real. Passive income sounds incredible, right? It's money you earn with minimal ongoing effort after the initial setup. And there's two main types. We have rental income, like renting out a property where you're not actively managing it. And then we have business activities, earning from something you own but don't run day to day, like royalties or if you're a silent partner in something. Now you might think investment earnings like dividends or stock gains count as passive income, but legally they don't. They're called portfolio income, and tax laws treat them differently. Most so-called passive hustles are just small businesses in disguise. If you're expecting to set it and forget it, you'll be disappointed. But if you treat it like building a real business, the payoff can be worth it. But it's not passive until way later. And let's be honest, a video about how easy it is to make money will get more views than a video about how hard you have to work to get started with no guarantee of success, and maybe in 3 years you can quit your day job. So the first one would be print on demand. This is marketed as passive income at its finest. Upload a design, let platform do the rest, and wake up to sales. No inventory, no shipping, no upfront costs. Just create, upload, and collect profits while you sleep. But here's the truth. Print on demand is one of the most oversaturated and misleading side hustles out there. Since the barrier to entry is so low, everyone is doing it. Thousands of people flood these platforms every single day with generic, low-effort designs, making it really impossible to stand out. Even if your design is great, the real problem is traffic. Then there's the profit margin. The platforms take a huge cut, leaving you with just a few bucks per sale. So you have to sell a lot of units of whatever. Top sellers often have thousands of listings across multiple platforms, consistently testing what works and what doesn't. Next up, we have affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is oversold as one of the easiest ways to earn passive income. Just sign up for an affiliate program, share a link, and watch the commissions roll in every time someone buys through your referral. It sounds perfect. No production creation, no customer service, just passive profits from promoting other people's products. But here's the reality. Affiliate marketing is only passive if you already have an audience. Without a steady stream of traffic, your links won't get clicks, and you won't make any sales. You need constant content creation, blog posts, videos, social media posts, to keep your audience engaged and drive them towards the affiliate link. And even if you do everything right, conversion rates are typically low. On average, only 1 to 3% of people who click your link will actually buy something. The most successful affiliates recommend products they've tested and truly believe in, which builds trust and leads to more sales. Next up, we have Amazon KDP. Kindle Direct Publishing used to be one of the greatest passive income streams. Write a book once, upload it, and collect royalties forever. No printing, no shipping, no upfront costs, just publish and profit. Now I'm sorry to say, those days are long gone. The market is flooded, not just with human created content, but with AI generated books. Thousands of low quality titles are just pumped out in seconds by AI. So many in fact that Amazon now requires authors to disclose if AI is used. And if you manage to stand out, most authors earn between $1 and $5 per sale. And that's assuming you sell any at all. You also have to publish consistently, not just once. The one book won't cut it. The top earners publish multiple titles, often building an entire series around a single niche. Then comes YouTube. YouTube is one of the most hyped passive income streams out there. Make videos, upload them, and let the ad revenue roll in overnight. Creators flash screenshots of thousands in monthly earnings, all while claiming it's easy if you just stay consistent. YouTube is only passive once your videos are ranking and generating views consistently. Until then, it's a full-time grind. Scripting, filming, editing, optimizing for search, and engaging with the audience. Even after you hit the monetization requirements of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you'll likely make $2 to $5 per 1,000 views depending on your niche and audience location. Now, YouTube can definitely work, but if you're only getting into it for the money, it's probably not going to pan out for you. Are you willing to commit at least 3 years to something with no guarantee of success and zero financial reward, all while juggling your regular day job? If your answer is yes, then go for it. Start a YouTube channel right now. Then we come to dropshipping. Now, dropshipping is pitched as the ultimate low-risk, high-reward online business. No inventory, no storage, no shipping logistics. You just set up a store, pick some products, and let the supplier handle the rest. Find a winning product, run some ads, and wake up to thousands in sales overnight, all while working maybe just a few hours a day. But here's the reality: most people who start dropshipping never make any money. Thousands of new stores launch daily, selling the exact same products from AliExpress, Alibaba, or whatever other supplier you might find. And without marketing, your store is invisible. Think about it. Let's say you use Shopify. It does not drive traffic like Amazon or Etsy does. It's entirely reliant on paid ads. And that's where most people burn out. Running Facebook, TikTok, Instagram ads is not easy. You need to test multiple ads, optimize your store, and spend hundreds if not thousands in upfront money just to make sure a campaign works for you. Then you got the customer service and logistics part of it. You have zero control over this. And if your supplier ships late or defective items, guess who gets blamed? You do. So a few refund requests here and some bad reviews there and your store is dead. It's over. This is reality. Passive income isn't passive until you've put in the work. Most people quit long before they ever see results, not because the idea doesn't work, but because they believed the hype and didn't prepare for the grind. These are actual businesses. They need your time, effort, and often money to get off the ground. So if you're thinking about starting any of these, ask yourself, am I willing to treat it like a business, not a shortcut? If the answer is yes, you're already ahead of most people. And speaking of getting ahead, check out this next video.